There's an easy fix for these warning lights after replacing the battery, so just follow this step-by-step guide, including which battery to use and what else to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Now for the positive, you don't have to remove this red cover, but it makes it easier to get your tools in there. So there's a couple of these clips on the sides to unclip, which will pop the cover off. And now we just want to loosen this clamp nut from the battery post first. Then unclip these two metal tabs. Use a screwdriver if your fingers can't reach in there. Then this whole junction box can come off. Next is the battery down here at the base, holding the battery down. Then use your third hand to hold the junction box while removing the battery. I'm going to share some specs on this battery a bit later, but before tightening anything else, we're going to fit the vent tube first because it needs to go under the battery. The one side needs to go in this channel in the middle of the battery tray, and then the battery goes on top. The other side plugs into this vent hole on the side. This mainly gets rid of hydrogen gas, but will also aid in disposing of any electrolyte containing sulfuric acid. I'll install the bracket first, but we're basically working in the reverse order for installation. Now push the clamp over the battery post and clip the metal tabs into place. What's important here is to make sure the clamp sits as low as possible on the battery post for a solid connection. The screwdriver can be used to open the clamp while pushing it down. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. The red cover will be a bit tricky, so you'll have to fiddle a bit, but I found it easier to start at the back first and then the front clips.
The last step is to then connect the negative terminal. For this diesel model, you'll need a 70 amp hour enhanced flooded battery, or if budget allows, an AGM would be best. These dimensions would be the maximum size that will fit here. On startup, you might see a stability control warning together with a steering wheel warning. Turn the steering wheel full lock left and full lock right to set the steering angle sensor, which should clear these warnings. Then you'll also need a radio code, which you can find in your service booklet or owner's manual.
Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.